So I had a couple days before our trip here with the camera. Just went out in the yard, messed around, tried the different color profiles, and decided that the log was going to be the best choice. I'm used to working with D-Log M, which isn't really a log, officially, but I'm used to doing that in DaVinci Resolve in the free version. So I think I'm going to have the best luck with this. We were out yesterday, got a lot of footage. Won't be able to process any of it till I get back home in a few days, but from what I've seen so far, everything's looking pretty good. Right now I'm just shooting in 4K 30 linear mode. I think that's going to be the best all around. This is a good example of what I was talking about as far as changing light. Nice and bright out here, and then once we get into the woods. Oh man, I was going to jump. Let's see, I've got the camera set to ISO limit 25 to 800. I didn't know if 1600 was going to be a bit much for it. So it's going to be interesting to see how the stabilization does in the low light like this. Yeah, so far we hadn't really seen anything as far as wildflowers.
No, it was probably in between the seasons, but
yeah.
I forget that this was the southern Cumberland.
Here's what we're doing today: Suter Falls and Horsepound Falls. Yeah, I can already hear falling water. I don't know if you can hear it through this microphone. One thing I noticed yesterday when we were near the falls, I have the meter turned on to show the volume, and man, it gets loud near some of the waterfalls, and I guess the camera is automatically adjusting the gain, and it was staying pretty much mid-meter, so hopefully the audio wasn't clipping any. I won't know till we get back and take a look. It must have rained a lot the night before we got here, because the falls have a lot of water in them, and here you can see a spring, water oozing out and going down the trail. So I've had several GoPros over the year. I had the 3 Hero 3, went to the Hero 5, and then skipped some generations, ended up picking up the Hero 10. And in low light situations like this, it just wasn't doing very good. So a few years later, when DJI came out with the Action 5 Pro, I went ahead and picked up that, and it did a lot better job of stabilization in low light. But what I tended to find out over the years doing that, and I don't do very many of those videos, in really low light situations, kind of keep the camera steady. Don't do a lot of walking, and let, like Cindy there walking, let that be the motion in your video. It's even darker now than it was earlier. Probably hear the sound of the waterfalls getting louder now. It's still quite a ways down. So we're coming up now on one of the areas I was talking about, the rock formations. Just crazy. Got waterfall down there, and then the wall here. It's unbelievable. I don't even know if you can hear me now, hopefully. We got water dripping off the ledge. This waterfall. Yeah. Back right there's another waterfall that's in the sunshine, unfortunately. So I guess all part of the same waterfall. And then down here it looks like it spills off another waterfall. I don't know if they're going to be able to get to. So obviously the trail is down there where Cindy is across the bridge. We're going to go see if we can, just how close we can get to the waterfall. Wow, it is so loud. Well, this bridge is sketchy at best.